Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You suck. Ran the red in front of a cop. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! Get him! Go get him! Yes! Get off my ass, thank you. Yep. Yep.
My mother-in-law has never liked me, and we have real clashing personalities. My husband does have a spine, and he does stand up for me, but we've come to realise that he does need her in his life. So all three of us have come up with some compromises and boundaries. Mother-in-law...
Whoa, he is in the shoulder. He's maybe mid-50s, short hair, and he's up on the sidewalk now. Holy shit, okay?
Oh gosh.
Yeah, I can keep following him. I'm off today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I'm just going past Anson, coming up on the light at Fiddler's Green here.
Okay.
Maybe. Yep. Whoa. Okay. So straight through Fiddler's, continuing on Garner.
Bright blue works.
Yeah, it's very like electric blue. You can't, it's hard to miss it. Yeah.
Okay, just keep me updated if you could. And
we're just heading up to Panabaker now. And he's in the shoulder. Oof, yeah. Right up on the curb and back down. Whoa.
gosh.
Yeah, and there's someone walking a kid. Holy Jesus.
That's great. You've got dash cam.
Yeah, the whole thing. There he is. There's a cop right there.
Oh, excellent.
Right there.
Can you put on your hazard?
Yep, she got him. She got him.
Excellent. Oh, I'm so glad. So, Eric.
Hello, how's it going?
Calling, yeah. Was there dash cam or?
Yeah, I have the memory card. Do you want me to send it to you or something? Of the whole thing, he bounced off.
If you had it accessible, I wanted to see it. He's just stupid, and he's going to job interview. I don't suspect any impairment. I 100% believe you, right?
Yeah, he bounced off a curb right in front of a woman walking a kid.
He sniffed the liquor, tasted it. This is water. Her fingers curled into fists. I don't drink, Juniper said. I invited Bryce tonight. It's been a while since...
That's what you meant, but I wanted to.
Oh,
yeah.
beautiful.
Look out to me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I saw my life before taking my purpose. Please in a hurry. It's gonna keep for me and for
block the intersection. Fucking asshole.
Holy shit. God damn. What's going on tonight, bro?
It's behind us.
Yep.
Several cars.
Overall worked out really well. I honestly can't remember. These poker trips are pretty taxing on your brain and everything like that. I'm starting to get a feel for what.
What's he benching? Look at that. What is that? That's 225.
5 reps of 315?
Yep.
Seriously?
Shut up.
Yeah, dude.
That man's fucking 5 reps of 315. That's
And
what
he
it
ran
says.
away.
Holy cow.
I got it on video.
You need a ticket, asshole. Well, get him. He ain't stopping. You better get him.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.